Hello, in this video we'll be discussing on how to set up the Stripe account, and we'll be also seeing how the overall integration works. So I am on a business here which is a demo business and it says Jan 7. So every business in the Growth 99 Plus has this menu account and settings. So you'll find under that there is a sub menu which says Stripe setup. When I click on this page, we see there is no account present here, so we'll be now setting up a Stripe account. So we'll be starting with the step one here. So I see the button which says set up Stripe. When I click on this, it is going to take me to the Stripe platform, and from their end they're going to ask us the email address, the email and the password through which we want to access the Stripe account. So even if one is not having any Stripe account, this is the process from where we can start with. So I'm going to enter an email ID. So I have no prior account with Stripe, so I'm going to start fresh. So this is my email address, and I say continue here. It is asking me to give a password, so I'm entering a password. This is the password of my choice, and it is telling me it should be at least 10 characters. So I'm re-entering the password. I'm going to use a caps lock. Okay. Let me try something else. So let this be. Right, this seems to be good. So I continue here. So in the next process, it is going to ask me for the contact number, and on this number, it is going to send me the code, six digits or maybe a three-digit code number. So to receive which, I'm going to enter my number based on the country code. So here it says US by default. I'm going to change it to my location. Okay, and this is the number. They're going to send me a code to verify my credentials. So I should be receiving the verification code on my number. So here I've received it and I'm entering the code. And this is the what you call the emergency keyword or maybe the emergency key. So in case how this will work is in case if I forget my password, I can use this code to log in. So I'll be one way I can do is I can just click on copy and then I can paste it on my email address or on any document file, or I can just click on download the code. So I'm just pressing here the download code button and the code is being downloaded. So I click on the next option. Now it is asking me for the address where my business is located. So I'm going to enter location which is there with me. Okay. So this is all right. So now it is asking me the nature of my business, whether it is an individual ownership or it is a company or it is a non-profit organization. So let me choose it as an company. So I choose the company. Next, it is asking me what is the business structure. So is it a sole ownership or it is a single member LLC So let me choose it for my purpose as sole proprietorship, and I continue. So it is asking me the business name. Let my business name be my business name, and this is the employer identification number. I'm entering it as it is. So I'm entering my social security number here. Being business as this is optional, I'm not entering there. The industry, my business is related to would be medical care. So let me search for it. So here it says medical services under a drop down, under which I have medical devices, doctors and physicians, dentists. Let me choose one which says other medical services, and this is going to be the website, business website. Here I can give a short description about what services I offer and what my business is all about. Once done, I click on continue. So next it is going to ask me some personal details, and since I am the single owner, it is going to ask for uh, the single person's personal details. So let me enter the personal details, which should be here. This is Cindy. This is the email address which I have already entered. Start of the process. The date of birth is over here. Okay. Let's go with the same address. State is India. The zip code is 19087. This is the contact number. This usually takes the US number, so I'm going to enter the same number as it is. And this is going to be the social security code. All right, and I continue. All right, let's continue. So it's asking for the routing number, which at the moment I'm going to enter the same number as it is. 7. And this is the account number. This is the account number for the bank, and confirm the account number. So this is the account number for the bank. I say continue. So this is the website address. This is a short descriptor. This will be appearing on the invoice. So let me just mention it as webme. They are showing me the manner in which it is going to appear. This is the customer support phone number, which I'm not going to enter. Rest all details remain same. I say continue. Okay, I do need to provide. So it being 021. Okay, let's say continue. So since some details have been missed by me, I'm just going to edit here. So this address, because the street one here is not a valid one. So let me try to change that and try. So since this is not what is a valid address, maybe that's the reason why I'm getting this problem. So I just want to switch to the test mode, which will allow me to bypass this. So there is no option to switch to the test mode as of yet. So let me try this. This is US. This is going to be the address line 2. So this is the product description which is added, and now we are good to go. So once the details and all the things are like properly added, the account is set up. So I don't have to do anything more here. So my account is already set up and it is with the Stripe and it is integrated with my Growth99 business. So if I want to check my account, I just need to go to Stripe and log in using my same email ID and the password. So if I go to the dashboard here, it takes me to the dashboard and I'll be able to see the business. My business account is here. I can check the payments that I have received by clicking on the payments. So far, there is no payments, and I'm operating this business under the test data. But if I have to check if my payments are working fine, I can go back to my business. I need to book an appointment. Not, I need to book an appointment, and once an appointment is booked, I can see the payments that I receive. So there is an option under the clinics page. When you go to the account and settings, there is a clinics menu under which you will be seeing the tab called as clinic configuration. So there is a link which says enable payment link. So when I allow this enable payment link, this will ensure that when the patients on my website are clicking on book now to book an appointment with me or confirm an appointment, they will get an option to make the payment right away. And once they make those payments, that payment will be coming into my account here, and I'll be able to see how much was paid. Right. Thank you.